What's up, my pungos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over one of my favorite cases here from the folks at Mous. They've made the Aramid fiber, carbon fiber case for years now, and is one of the most durable, protective, rugged cases, in my opinion, on the market. This is for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and it's an awesome way to be able to level up the protection for your phone while still giving you full functionality of all the features. Precision cut, made out of very durable TPU and polymer material. They've got this unique Aramid fiber, carbon fiber backing that's going to give you scratch resistance and just look really sleek in the hand. Made with their latest Limitless technology that's got air shock insulation on the inside to give you that protection, especially in those high impact areas. And also infused in it is their Magsafe magnets, allowing you to be able to accessorize and be able to use all the functions of your phone. With that said, before we jump into it here, the folks at Mous did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you what you get yourself into. Mous has been one of my most favorite cases that I've used over the years, and their Aramid fiber is certainly not an exception. Infused with their latest Limitless technology that has made the case itself with a fraction of the plastic while still giving you that full coverage that it deserves here, especially for this very expensive investment. You can see the DuPont Kevlar is super sleek on the back, infused and glued in there, gonna give you scratch resistance and a really sleek look. You've got the cutout here for your camera and chamfering here to give you protection. On the inside, you can see it's got this microfiber protection as well as the precision cut and tooling on the inside, including their air shock technology in green there. That's going to give you well above military drop grade protection, especially for those high impact areas. You got the additional Limitless technology here in the grip around the edges and around the corners here, and really precise cutouts here for your IO, including very clicky buttons there for your volume rocker and power button. Placing it in here for the first time, it's really easy to press fit in there. It's nice and precise. It's going to grip around the bezel there. You do have a little bit of a forehead and a chin lip, so if it lands on its face, it's not going to scratch the screen. It's going to protect you there while not pushing up against the screen protector here if you've got that placed onto your phone. You can see here it's nice and grippy. You have all the functions here available, including very clicky buttons and the S Pen. You have a little cutout there for your microphone and just a very sleek all-around look in the hand. I really like the white juxtaposed against the black. It looks very sleek, especially where that camera module is. Really cool to have in the hand and something that I highly recommend. Let's go and throw on Magsafe here. It just latches right on to that circular array of magnets. It's not going anywhere, and it's not going to impede your ability to use this. You also can go ahead and throw on a charging bank if that's something you're interested in. That's going to magnetize right on there and start Qi charging immediately. This is an Anker battery, 5,000 milliamps at 15 watts. That's going to give you that Qi charging standard, which I think is nice. It just looks really sleek in the hand here. Magsafe is fantastic. I really like how sleek and durable the Aramid fiber is. This carbon fiber is so sleek and something that looks really good juxtaposed against your white phone if you opted into that. Otherwise, it will pair well with any of the other colors. I really like how grippy it is. The Limitless technology is fantastic. They use less plastic while still maintaining that high fidelity and rugged ability here in your hand. With that said, the folks at Mous did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.